come back to this interesting thing because on that lineage of Yang Zhan, Zhao Qinhua, Yip Man, probably the next most famous icon person in Wing Chun is Master Wang Shoumiao.
佢話即係第一就有梁贊，跟住有賈錢華，跟住葉問，跟住你，即係最勁係你，最之有名嘅你，最 well known。
我唔係叫有冇名，因為舊時冇乜人識詠春，甚至我學詠春嘅時間咧，詠春都唔係好多人。我記得我學詠春嘅時間係已經係將近過年，係年28，仲有2日過年。咁我去到葉問嘅館嘅時間咧，去睇佢啲館，嗰陣時只係幾個新嘅徒弟。有啲咩嘅先講咧，啲computer 咧咩嘅先咧，又話我同徐尚田打，其實完全冇呢啲事。
When the time Sifu is not, he said it's not being well known or not being well known.
因為嗰陣時徐尚田根本都唔喺度，因為嗰日將近過年嗰陣時。
Because the truth is he wasn't there because it was around New Year's and he was celebrating. He was not there.
Not there. So only a few other students were there.
So 咁我即係可能自己年輕咯，就同佢其中有一個徒弟，大家亦都唔可以講話 sparring， 大家都比較想玩玩。
They were because Sifu was kind of young at the time, maybe he was a little rowdy. He decided he was going to he couldn't really say sparring, but exchange a few moves with a particular student at the school.
咁結果我將佢整咗落地下度。
Then Sifu knocked him down on the ground.
我當時葉問就好唔高興，因為我自己好年輕，嗰時唔知道咧喺啲武館咁樣做咧係好唔啱。
葉問 was very upset.
咁咧，結果葉問同我講，佢話呢啲係咪新學嘅，只係學咗冇幾多日嘅啫。不過我都相信呢樣嘢，佢哋啱學緊姿手嘅。
See, Yipman then says, well, these guys have not been learning for a long time, and that's probably true because Sifu saw them and they were just starting to learn Qi Sao.
佢跟住咧同我講，佢話你同呢一個人玩啊，咁啊指一個人，嗰個人咧係佢個 level。
Then Yipman goes, he pointed out a student in the crowd, and he said, not the crowd, but the few students that were there, and he said, you spar with him, and that was Yipman's nephew.
我嗰陣時佢大概嘅年咧係22歲咯，比我大幾年。
He was at that time, Yipman's nephew was about 22, a little bit older than Sifu.
His name?
佢而家都係一個好有名嘅師傅嚟㗎。
He's a very famous Sifu.
我唔想講佢嘅。
Okay, we know who it is, but it's okay.
佢哋知呢個。
我想你哋應該知啊，因為佢唔喺香港㗎。
He's not in Hong Kong right now.
Yes.
I think they know. 佢哋知道邊個。
但係用好短嘅時間咧，我打佢仲比打第一個緊要啲。我打得佢跌好多次，打得佢即係葉問好唔開心，打到佢。
In a very short time, he finished off this opponent.
亦都我去學詠春嘅時候咧，我已經再冇見過呢一個人。
And afterwards, he has not seen that person since. After he started learning.
有啲師兄弟話翻俾我聽咧，佢話當你走咗之後咧，葉問鬧得佢好緊要。
But once Sifu left, once Wang Sifu left the place, left the Gun, rumor has it heard from his siblings that Yipman yelled at his nephew quite a lot. I mean,
very harsh scolding.
Very harsh scolding.
後嚟我知道佢去咗台灣。
Then he moved to Taiwan.
Moved to Taiwan.
佢亦都經過呢次之後，佢哋都冇再學佢。
After this incident,
he now has won 2 fights.
Yeah, and 結果葉問同我講。
And as a result of Sifu beating Yipman's nephew, Yipman decided to take on Sifu.
當然葉問有好多徒弟可以打嘅，但係嗰個時咧，因為將近過年係冇人上去嘅。嗱，譬如好似徐尚田啊、葉步清啊、梁相啊、樂耀行啊，都冇一個喺度。
Yip Man himself.
Yeah，咁啊，因為咧嗰個地方咧唔係好大。
Because the place it wasn't very big.
但係我同葉問打嘅時間咧，已經同佢哋打嗰啲完全唔同。
In the time that Sifu fought Yip Man, the actions in the time period was completely different than that when he was fighting Yip Man's students.
因為我同佢啲徒弟打嘅時間咧，係佢哋同我講咧，大家先有隻手接觸咗先，即係大家有隻手，大家接觸咗，然後打㗎。
Okay, when Sifu fought the students, they didn't start fighting until the hands touched.
但我同葉問打嘅時間冇咗呢樣。
When he fought Yip Man, there was not even that, not even the touch.
No touch yet. The range is a little longer than.
當時我同佢打咧，因為我以前學過 boxing， 我同佢打嘅時候我係用 boxing 同佢打。
Sifu used boxing to fight Yip Man.
當然係冇戴手套。
No gloves.
No gloves. Did Wang Sifu have some boxing experience?
Yes, prior to his Wing Chun experience, he did boxing.
Boxing.
我亦都學過太極。
He also learned Tai Chi.
So he already beat several students, so he must have boxed very well. Okay, please. And then Yip Man.
我哋打手勁嘅真係。
問題就係我係唔驚打咁解啫。
Because Sifu said it wasn't that he boxed very well, but he was very confident. He was not afraid of a lot of anything.
佢同我打嗰時咧，葉問好勁，佢亦都唔打我住，因為我地方唔係好大，佢一路逼我，一路逼我，我一路 jab 佢，我 jab 佢嘅時間咧，佢都冇發到拳打我，佢只係攞住我啲位，攞住啲位，攞住啲位。
When he fought, he was keep Sifu shut.
佢一路係咁逼我，逼到我埋牆角度。
And he kept pushing him into the wall.
Up against the wall.
佢突然間飆埋嚟咧，一揦住我嘅手，一揦住咧，擺個拳頭喺我邊度，擺喺身度，仲好幾支喺度，都冇打到。
And then suddenly, he flashed out and trapped Sifu and threw a lot of punches at Sifu, but none of them hit. But it got really close to Sifu.
Yip Man pulled his punches.
Yes, he stopped right in front of Sifu.
So he used a kamsao or something to check in.
Trapped Sifu.
Against the wall, so.
咁咧，啱佢同我試完之後咧，有一個好高大嘅人啱佢上去嗰度。
After Yip Man has done that to Sifu, a really tall man stepped into the room of the school.
佢當時叫呢個，我以為係佢徒弟嚟，個名步青。
It was Yip Ching.
Oh, much taller than you.
Yeah.
Yip Ching, yes. Also from Fatsan.
No. 我喺香港嘅。
He's from Hong Kong.
Oh, he's from Hong Kong, okay.
咁咧，佢又帶葉步青入廚房嘅喎，我煲咗啲竹蔗水嘅。
He brought Yip Ching into the kitchen and he made some kind of like a drink for him.
Who made? Yip Man?
Yip Man made a drink for him. Just a drink.
咁啊拉佢其實喺入邊同佢講嘢。
And what he really did was to bring him into the kitchen so he could talk to Yip Ching. It was just an excuse, like I made you something to drink, come in, and he went to talk.
當時咧，我同埋我個 cousin 上去。
He was at the time he was up with his cousin.
咁咧，我 cousin 就同我講：哇，佢呢個師傅好好啊，佢煲埋啲竹蔗水俾同弟飲。
So this is Wang Sifu's cousin.
但係嗰時咧，我呢個 cousin 係好熟啊。
His was not too bright, and his cousin was not very. It's very naive, not too bright.
當時我同我 cousin 講：唔係啊，佢入去叫佢而家出嚟同我打㗎。
And he told his cousin, no. He didn't make him anything to drink. He's telling him to go out and fight me.
No.
到佢喺廚房行出嚟嘅時間咧，佢喺度熱起啲褲腳，熱起衫袖。
As Yip Ching came out of the kitchen, he rolled up his pants and rolled up his sleeves.
咁我當時我同我 cousin 講：我係咪啊？我話嗱，而家就嚟打咁。
No, are you kidding? He's coming out to fight me now? I mean, that's what Sifu said to his cousin as he sees Yip Ching come out of the kitchen.
結果咧，真係佢同我打，葉問叫佢同我打。
In conclusion, not in conclusion, but as a result, what really happened was he did go out to challenge Sifu to fight Yip Ching.
因為嗰陣時咧，我年紀輕，又好瘦，我 skinny。
Sifu was very young and skinny at the time.
大概嗰陣時我係105或者106磅。
It's about 105, 106 pounds.
咁咧，我去到葉步青喺呢度。
He got up to Yipu Ching's neck.
葉步青 much taller.
Head taller than
嘅。
Sifu.
但係當時佢同我打咧，佢個拳係好重。
But when he fought Sifu, his punches were very strong and heavy.
但係我記得我嗰陣時都有打傷過佢。
But
不過
Sifu,
佢打得我仲緊啲，打得我好滿面啲血嘅。
Sifu remembered he did hurt him, but Yipu Ching hurt Sifu more. Remember his face was all red and he was all bruised.
因為我好常咧，我打過呢啲位，變咗咧佢流血個機會多一倍高。但係我都打傷到佢有嘢，不過咧就唔係咁緊要。但係佢變咗佢係高手長咧，變咗佢打住我嘅話咧，變咗我睇嚟講咧，我係傷比較會傷一啲嘅。
Sifu, since he was shorter and he was both men was hurt.
咁咧，佢葉問咧亦都知道我係想去學功夫嘅，所以咧葉問就講佢話：你年初4，即係過咗年初4上嚟學啦。結果我年初4過去學。
Sifu said,